In this video, I'll be showing you tips on how to download and install apps on iPhone 16 series. First, launch the App Store on your iPhone. You can see the Easy to Access Apps tab at the bottom of your iPhone screen, like find the trending apps and games under the Today section. The second tab is Games. Here you can see all types of games from different categories, such as card, music, racing, board, and more. The third tab is for Apps. General apps in different categories for social, professional, and business users. Fourth tab is Arcade. All premium segment games under your Apple One subscription are accessible here. And the last option is for Search. Search new app and game with name from top search bar. Suppose I want to download Discord on my iPhone. So type Discord and get the result. Tap on the Get button. Download using the Face ID if you already have it set up on your iPhone. If not, use your Apple ID password. Press the side power button twice to authenticate your Face ID. We make separate tutorials on downloading free apps without Face ID and password required all the time. Once you verify for now, download will begin automatically. And see the download process, and after the download complete, app will automatically install on your iPhone. Downloaded apps appear on the iPhone home screen and app library, as you can see on my screen. To download all apps used on your old or other iPhone, go to your profile at the top right corner of the App Store. Tap on Apps and select Not on this iPhone. Here are all the apps used earlier on the same Apple ID. Download for now. Tap on the cloud icon and start installing. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to helpful videos. Post your feedback and questions below the comment box.